Example 5. Resolve x cube plus 3x square minus 7x minus 20 by x square plus 3x minus 10 into partial fractions. The given fraction is an improper fraction, and this can be done in two techniques. So one is general method, one is objective method. Let me present it. First one, general method, dividing numerator with the denominator as x cube plus 3x square minus 7x minus 20 dividing by x square plus 3x minus 10. X times, you get it as x cube plus 3x square minus 10x. Subtracting it, okay, you'll be getting 3x minus 20 as the remainder, and that is equals to quotient plus the remainder 3x minus 20 divided by the divisor. And this denominator x square plus 3x minus 10 can be factorized this as it is x plus 5 multiplied by x minus 2. So denominator x plus 5 into x minus 2, both are linear factors. We can find partial fraction for this fraction in the general way as 3x minus 20 divided by x plus 5 multiplied by x minus 2. The linear factors are given by a by x plus 5 plus b divided by x minus 2, and take an LCM, equating the numerator 3x minus 20 is equals to a into x minus 2 plus b multiplied by x plus 5, and substituting x is equals to minus 5 both sides gives us minus 3 into 5 minus 15 minus 20 minus 35 is equals to minus 2 minus 5 minus 7a plus 0. So a is equals to plus 5, and x is equals to 2 when you substitute. 2 3s are 6 minus 20. Okay, 6 minus 20 minus 14 is equals to minus 2 plus 5 7b, and that gives us b is equals to minus 14 by 7 minus 2, and therefore partial fractions given by. So the given fraction, I say the given fraction is this one, is equals to, it is x plus a is equals to 5. So 5 divided by x plus 5 plus b minus 2 divided by x minus 2. So x plus 5 by x plus 5 minus 2 by x minus 2. As I told you, we shall proceed the objective technique. How would you proceed for simplifying this one? First of all, concentrate on here. Okay, I can factorize the denominator removing this. I can take it as x plus 5 multiplied by x minus 2, and the numerator degree is 3, denominator degree is 2. Dividing x cube by x square, you get quotient as x plus one other factor. The other partial fraction for x plus 5 is obtained by substituting x is equals to minus 5 in the remaining factors of the given fraction gives us numerator. Minus 5 when you substitute in the numerator, minus 125, and minus 5 whole square. Minus 5 whole square, 25 3s are plus 75. Okay, 5 7s are plus 35. Minus 20 divided by denominator minus 5 minus 2 minus 7. Minus 5 minus 2 minus 7 plus and partial fraction for x minus 2, and x minus 2 equating it to 0, x equals to 2, substituting in the given factors other than x minus 2 gives us x cube 8 and x square, 2 square, 4 3s are 12 and 2 7s are 14 minus 20 divided by 2 plus 5 7. And then on simplifying x plus, and here the simplifying 75 plus 35 110 and minus 125 minus 20 minus 145. Subtracting, you will be getting 35 by 7 minus 7 minus 35, which results in 5 in the numerator divided by x plus 5. Second one, when I take up x minus 2 numerator, it is 8 plus 2, 20, 20 cancel, minus 14 by 7 minus 2. So clearly x plus 5 by x plus 5 minus 2 by x minus 2 is required answer. So this way also you can work out the problem in objective method.